Hi everybody! Hi! Well, anyway, to this video, we're gonna drive mountain driving wearing these flats. So I call it flats. So, for now, fasten your seatbelt. And then, let's go drive. So, I use this angle front view because I have a lot of videos focusing the street. So, next time, I'm going to do it the camera behind me. So for now, it's this angle. It's easy for me to install this camera. I just have to lock it in the door and in the chair, the tripod. Fasten your seatbelt, and now we're going to drive. It's getting rain. It's getting hot.